If you want to know how to create such cute miniatures of famous personalities of the world and make them speak or even dance like this,
It has been only a handful of games since Rishabh Pant made a comeback after a horrific car crash.
make sure you stick around with me till the end because it's going to be a step-by-step, very short tutorial. Make sure you stick to me till the end, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Image creation. Go to Wonder AI Art Generator, this website, and I will be leaving this website link in the description, and then go to this Explore button, and then go to this Search button, and here you can search for any character, whatever comes in your mind. For me, I'm searching from Modi ji, our Prime Minister. So let me see, if I type Modi, I will get different images. Now I got these three. If you want any one of them, you can just go to this download button in order to download. So you may download all these three. Now along with it, what if you don't get any character which you want to create? In that case, you will have to copy these prompt. You see, you get this copy prompt option. So let's suppose I am going to search bar again, and if I am looking for Obama, okay, see, there is no result coming for Obama, right? It is showing no results found for Obama. Do we have to limit ourselves within the pictures which are here already? No. For this, you can, I have already copied the prompt, right? Image prompt. Now you can head over to any text to image generator. For this video, I am using Leonardo AI. I have my link in the description for Leonardo AI. You can use Leonardo AI free 150 credits every single day. After you get into Leonardo AI's website, this is the interface. Go to this image generation option and straight away just paste that prompt. Here, instead of Narendra Modi, you can type anything. I will type Obama. Okay, if I type Obama, rest everything will remain same. Here the aspect ratio in the left widget, you'll have to keep 16:9 and just generate and see how the images are coming. Okay, if it is not satisfactory, then we will have to change. Voila, I have got two beautiful images. Now if I want a full figure, then you will have to give here Disney style, here before Disney style, full body image. Okay, and then generate once again, you will get full body image hopefully. If you want to create one particular series of videos, like I'm going to show you, where in one scene the character is speaking, in one scene the character is dancing, then you can use these close-up views as well. So let us see. If suppose you like any of these images, then just click on that image, go to the smooth upscale option, upscale it and download it. Same thing here. I will smooth upscale it. Let it get upscaled. I'll just close it now. And here you see, I got two Obamas for some reason, but this one I really like. This is a full figured one. This will help me to create the dancing video which you saw in the beginning. So I will just smooth upscale. All these three images I will have to download. So by time it is getting upscaled, I will just click on this video. See, here you can see it is upscaled. Now I will simply download it. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2,000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Let us move to the next part where I will make and these images talk, right? So let's go to part 3. In part 3, you will have to have Canva account, but I would encourage to get the best effect out of this tutorial. You should try 30 days free trial link which I have given in the description. Go and upgrade your free account to Pro for 30 days for free. And then this is the interface of Canva. In search bar, you'll have to give YouTube or you give video. Then you can get this 1920 to 1080 pixel, this video aspect. Either you go by this way, otherwise here you get video, go to this video aspect ratio. Okay, I just need a clean canvas. Now see properly. I will go to this upload section. Okay. Now I will go to upload files option, and first let me get that Modi ji's file. Okay. Once it gets uploaded, this is not in 16:9. This is about those images which you get in WonderArt, okay, and which you are creating in Leonardo AI. You can change. You have the control over the aspect ratio, right? There we are not facing any trouble. But we need widescreen ratio. Therefore, since Modiji's picture we have got as it is in WonderArt, so what do we do to get it 16:9 or widescreen ratio? We will have to select this, just bring it on the canvas, then go to this edit photo option, the top left hand side corner. Check properly. I'll go slow. I am taking the image which is to 1:1, which we have created in WonderArt. Okay, we have got from WonderArt. In WonderArt, we don't have any image which is 16:9 ratio. Okay, if I give Messi, you see all these images of Messi will be coming in 1:1 ratio. Okay, all these images are coming in 1:1 ratio. But for creating a YouTube video, you need 16:9. So I am saying, when you will be downloading these images, how to get it widescreen, how to transform it or resize it into one widescreen ratio. So I have selected the image. If you want to give any particular type of filter, here you get different types of filters. See, in the edit photo option, if you go edit photo, you first have Magic Studio, then you have filters, then you have effects. So if you want to give any filter, you can give it, but first we will have to resize it. For that, in the Magic Studio, you will have to go to Magic Expand. Now this feature is the only feature which comes free for only pro users. So if you're not having pro account, I would strongly encourage you to go for a pro account, free pro account for 1 month free trial with the link given in the description. Okay, now I will go to, I have different aspect ratios here, but I would like to go for this full page ratio and expand. As soon as I click on expand button, Magic AI will start working on this image and will create 4 variations of this image with widescreen or covering the entire canvas. So just wait for a while, then I'll show you what to do next. Look here, they have created these 4 images. 3 images have come, 1 more yet to come. So kind of I am liking this image or this image. So I would like to stick to this image. Okay. Now if you don't like, in case you don't like any of these 4 versions, then you can go to generate new result, this option. But since I liked it, so I will go to this done option. Okay, so my Modiji's image is ready. Now, if I want this image, this subject to be little big, what should I do? I have one option. The conventional option is just crop it like this, enlarge it. But I don't want to zoom it. I just want this entire thing to be intact, but just the subject to be little bigger. Now again, see properly. Please don't comment saying, ma'am, you're too fast. Please check properly. Otherwise, pause it here and reduce the speed from settings. Go to edit photo option once again. Okay. Now go to magic grab option. First we used this magic expand option where we resized the image. Now we are using magic grab option to grab the main subject without hampering the background. You can see my main subject is in my hand. Now I can increase its size and make him stand as if he is standing very near to the camera. I will have to go to this share button and download it in either MP4 or PNG format. For the time being, I am for downloading it in PNG format. Okay, now I will simply download it. Now let us move to next part. In next part, we are going to create a small script. For that, I am using ChatGPT. You can use any other software, open source, okay, Bard or Bing. A message, a prompt like this, rewrite this, enjoy every moment of your life like a superstar, watch me dance. Okay, this one I made. Now I have asked ChatGPT to rewrite it by going to this send message option. And in a while I got this one, embrace every moment, this code. Okay, now I will copy this code. I will copy this code and go back to Canva. In the same canvas, go to this add page option here where we are going to create it. Now where should we go? Go to this app section. And here in the search bar type Lalamu. This one, Lalamu Studio. Now open it. When you will be opening for the very first time, Lalamu will request you to connect your account or Canva account with their interface. So you will have to undergo that process. It's just a simple login process. And once you do that, you will get 100 credits for free. Right now I have 96 credits left. Now go to this upload video option. Now although it mentions upload video, you can add any format which are mentioned here. MP4, JPG, PNG, GIF, anything. But maximum of 2 minutes long video you can make, and 200 MB can be the maximum size. Now I will go to this choose file option and I will upload that enlarged image which I have just created. Open. Okay. Now here under this I can either upload an audio if you have an audio file. Again, that could be MP3 or MP4 format or any other format which are mentioned here. Otherwise, you can enter a text. For this video, I am entering the text which I have created. Here, you can choose the voice artist. You can choose any of these voice artists and go to this preview speech option. And then generate lip sync video. Okay, here one more option is there, remove watermark. Unless and until you upgrade to their pro version of Lalamu, you cannot remove their watermark. Now my video is ready and I have not fast forwarded to show you how long does it take to create a short clip. Okay, now I will go to add to design.
Embrace every moment of your life as if you're a superstar.
Awesome, right? Right click and set it as background. If you want to add any filter here, again you can go to this edit video option and you have different filters here. Festive filter, solar filter I like the most, so I'm going to use solar filter. Okay, go to this share option, download option, MP4. Just check the box where you have the video option and done, and download. So our lip sync video is ready. Now let us move to next part. You will have to go to this software, VAGPE.ai. Okay. If I go to home page, go to this VAGPE.ai option. I have created an elaborate video on this particular software. The links will be given in the description. You may go to check that video as well. I will also leave that in iCard in the top right hand side corner. So once you get in, you will have to join this by join beta option. You'll have to join in their Discord server by going to accept invitation of, or if you don't have a Discord account, then they will ask you to open one. Once you open it, you will be led to this Discord account. Now here you will have to go inside the Wiggle server and little downwards you'll have to go to this animate to room. Then in this message box you'll have to type / and then you type animate. Then go to this first option. Now see properly. You will have to drag and drop that image. Okay. Let's suppose I am giving this image. Okay. Open. Now this image is ready. Now here in prompt. If you have any video prompt you can add, but we are not going to use our own prompt. Where we get the best result is if you go to Wiggle's main website, not the Discord server, main website. Go to this prompt section. Here, Wiggle has given some automated, like nicely generated image to videos. If you use these, any one of these, then you will get the best result. Okay. Now you can go downwards here. You get different videos from here. Even talking videos are there. Okay, now let me check one small video which I'm going to use. So I'm going to use this video. For this, I'll have to just go open this particular video. If you don't find it, you just type $huge, okay? And this $hue grand dancing, this one I'm taking, okay? If you want to take this one, then you can go here and that video will appear, okay? Now open that video and copy the prompt from here. Then okay, done. Now head back to Discord, and here in motion prompt you'll have to paste that prompt. Here in background you'll have to keep same as template and fine tune model always on. Then just enter. Once you enter, go to jump to present option so that you can see where is your video getting generated. Here in this brown box we will find our video, so you might need to wait for a while. Now if you come a little downwards, you will find your video. Let me find out my video. Here is my video in this brown box. When your video will be generated, now you will get a sound, okay? So you will understand. Now you check this video. Now you will have to download. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is, they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is, they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is, they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Shriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than million plus subscribers. And right now I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I, being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being an YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.